There are no passengers in Spaceship Earth. We are all crew. We're all responsible of the well-being of our spaceship. We're not just simple passengers enjoying the ride. In fact, we're in charge of the ride. We must work together to run the whole spaceship, and of course, we have also the privilege to enjoy it. We have moved into an age in which everybody's action affects everybody else. Just like climate change, the central issue on the global environmental agenda. A global issue with an intrinsically transnational character, because climate change does not respect national borders. This means that countries are completely vulnerable to others' action. And in order to make a meaningful progress on environmental issues, we must make international and global changes. Many debates have arisen over the tension among economic growth and the protection of the environment. Can development be ecologically sustainable? Can environmental problems be dealt with within the existing socioeconomic system? Or is this system the source of those problems? Such debates have caused a lot of controversy, but the final conclusion is that we must find a balance. Sustainable development's idea has dominated thinking on environmental and development issues since it was highlighted by the 1987 Brundtland's Report. The Brundtland's Report gave the most popular definition of sustainable development. Sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It contains two key concepts: needs and limitations. Needs refer to the basic and essential needs of humans, particularly to the world's poorest people, to which they should be given overriding priority, and in second, limitations. Limits must be taken in order to meet present and future needs based on environment's ability to restore itself. Those limits must be established by the state of technology and social organizations. But beyond those concepts, the key element is the unity between environment and development. As it is said on the report, the environment is where we live, and development is what we all do in attempting to improve our lot within that abode. The two are inseparable. So, based on this document, the United Nations has taken action to adopt a set of goals to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure prosperity. They are known as the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, in which it is established that in order to reach those global goals, government, private sector, and civil society, and every individual must contribute and discuss. The target is to achieve each goal over the next 15 years. So, what does sustainable development means to me? For me, sustainable development is a lifestyle. A lifestyle in which you're aware of every single action you'd make throughout the day, to think on the consequences each action may have, and based on that knowledge, choose wisely. This lifestyle must be taught since we're kids, by creating a new habit of environmental friendly conscience. For example, if I'm gonna wash my car, I need some soap and water to make it clean. But do I really need to use the hose to wash it? If I use the hose, I will probably end sooner than if I wash it with a single cup of water. But if I use the hose instead of the bucket, I will waste more than 40 liters. 40 liters that can be gladly used on the kitchen to wash the frets, or on the bathroom to take a bath and wash my teeth. See? Every action, as minimum as it may seem, has huge repercussions on our daily lives. So just picture this. If we teach ourselves and people around us this new lifestyle, we could make an infinite local actions with global results. Also, we can promote sustainable development by joining an NGO or IGO that promotes this balance between humanity and our environment. For example, Ecosia, a web browser who plants a tree for every single search you make on it. You can contribute to this cause by using this platform as your main browser, or you can get involved on an association you like, or even you can create your own association. Make a project and implement it on your community. Let your mind go and create. There's a whole world of new ideas, inventions, and implementations that will help us. Innovation is part of this new lifestyle, like the person who discovered biodiesel. He found a solution to a need we have as humans, and a solution to reduce air pollution produced by regular gas. You can innovate in many ways, from reusing an empty can to developing solar panels. Sustainable development is an opportunity to get our essence back, to be a generation of pioneers, a fraternity who will look to help each other. Because in order to be part of the change, you must first be the change.